Ricochet Consignment has released a new feature called product grouping. Now what this is the ability to group similar products on the online store that might have small variations. Now although this is a feature that can be utilized by a lot of different styles of stores, it's primarily built for shoe consignment, where consigners are bringing in specific items that have small differences like size or style. So if I start out by going to the Ricochet web store and I go down to shoes, I can see that I've got 3 pairs of Air Force Ones here. The colorway is the same with red and white. They are low top Chicago style Air Force Ones, and really just between the price and size and style, they're all the same. So I'm going to go back into Ricochet and I'm going to access the first item. I'm going to scroll down to the online store section, and in group product ID, I'm just going to type in something simple. You can see here I chose Chicago. Now for group product IDs, best practices are going to be to keep them short and avoid special characters. So if I save that item and go back to the next item, scroll all the way down, put in that product ID here, hit save, and do that one more time for the third product. Now, if I were to go back to that online store and refresh the page, I can see that all 3 of those items have combined into one, showing the price range right below the main title. If I click on this item, I can see all of the items attached to this group. I'll be able to see the title, short description, as well as custom drop-down fields like size and style. Now, if you are using variants to add in size, those will also be shown here, but for my example, I just used custom fields. Of course, if you click View Product, you're going to be brought to that product page. So just a thing to keep in mind regarding this feature is that the first item that you use will have the display title and the product photo show. If that product sells, then the next one that was timestamped in the list will appear. Now, if you do have any questions about how to utilize this feature, or if you're not in shoe consignment but have an idea of how you'd like to use it in your store, we definitely suggest giving us a call and reviewing it with you to make sure it's going to be the best practice for organizing our online store and also continually to sell items online to your customers.